So the package has arrived. Let's open this one. So let's try this one. There's no English. DC up to 20 kilovolt, 40 kilovolt, DC 5%. Okay, so this is it. So how long is this? This is approximately 35 cm. And this is our problem. So this is our negative and positive. We have our ground here. So we're gonna measure this the high voltage section of this insect killer here. So it's measuring about 1 kilovolt. I thought it's gonna do like 2-3 kilovolt, but it's measuring 1 kilovolt. So this insect killer is pulling about 3.5 watts when in operation. So this is the voltage, the voltage multiplier. Let's turn this off first. Let's get some voltage here. Sana. There's the diode. It's not at the top, if it's at the under the board. By the way, this is on the light on this one is LED. So you can see that's the LED. Let's look at the underside of the of this board. It has only one screw to hold the board down. So it looks like this is the bridge rectifier here. Okay, so we have some bridge rectifier and a fusible resistor. And it looks like it uses 4 diodes for the voltage multiplier. We also have one capacitor filter here. It's probably to filter the the output of this bridge rectifier here, and these LED diodes are probably all in series, so they can connect it directly to the output of this bridge rectifier that rectifies the mains voltage. We have one fusible resistor, and probably uses the one resistor there as a dropper, and then it's filtered by the one capacitor. This is the JOYINLED Insect Killer. LED insect killer. This is the LED insect killer. Although it claims it is 15 watts, but it is only pulling like 3.5 watts on our meter.